Hazel Brain, Meridianville, and would be prepared to seek shelter immediately. Again, and these are something that you really need to keep in mind on through the news. Okay, I understand that Cynthia Hunt is standing by live in Meridianville. Cynthia.
Jay, I heard you talking about the storm that is moving toward Meridianville, 2 miles south of Meridianville on Highway 231 here.
There's a tornado on the ground, on the fucking ground.
231, it continues to track on off towards the north and east, and I tell you that.
Go get clothes and stuff for that hall, blankets and stuff.
Oh my God.
Go get them.
Where do we need to go?
That's the only place I know to go.
I think hopefully it'll miss us. Oh my gosh. Look at the debris. You can see debris in there.
If it ain't on the ground, there's one up in the air down there.
It's on the ground. Good thing I got it on film. I think it might miss us, I hope. Yeah, I was riding down the road and I saw it coming. Man. It's gonna miss us. Good thing I brought the camera. Got lucky on that one. That thing's on the ground. It's on the ground.
South of it.
That's a Meridian. Yeah. Right when I went across Meridian, was coming across the road.
Well,
There's a backside of it. You're on the porch.
y'all, here comes the rain.
You got windows down out there.
Yeah. I think I'll stay here for right now.
Y'all just seen you first. Look out in the air.
Debris.
Y'all just seen you first one real close.
Yep.
First time I've ever seen one. I actually seen the world. That is the one I.
Yeah, it was on the ground too.
Yeah, it was on the ground.
That's a big one too.
It's sure is.